Hey guys, it's Jess, and it has been a hot minute since I have talked to you guys. And you guys, for those of you that do follow me somewhat or care, I will be doing an update video in the near future. But for now, we're just gonna stick to this BoxyCharm unboxing. So this is my first time subscribing to BoxyCharm. This is my very first box. It is a premium. I did go ahead and open up just the tape, but I haven't gone through the box yet. I am really excited. I believe this one retails for $40, around the $40 mark. And then I did get Glossy Box as well, that's on the way. And I also got the Mystery Color Pot box, which I hope was a good idea, but we'll see. By the way, everything on my face other than the foundation, like my eye makeup, all my eye makeup is ColourPop, and then I am wearing the lip gloss from the Mandalorian collection. This is in Grogu, so yeah, I just figured I'd let you know. The eyeshadow is all the Mandalorian collection. The lipstick is Urban Decay. I believe it's a Vice lipstick. I don't know where I put that, but I'll show you. But anyway, let's just get down to business and unbox this box. Okay, so it is the premium box, and the theme is Gift of Glam. So they always come with these little cards, and I'm not going to read the card, but I'll tell you how much each item is kind of at the end of it. But this is the ID AZ Water Fit Mask. It provides a truly moisturizing solution for your skin to treat delicate skin which has been stressed by internal and environmental factors. By the way, excuse my nails, they're kind of sad right now. Pretty cool. It's a soft sheet mask that adheres tightly and delivers moisture to the skin and helps moisturize dry skin by providing rich moisture to the skin. So sounds good to me. I don't know. I don't think I want to open it up any further than this. I mean, I could. Let's see. I guess we can. We might as well, right? I wish I had thought to have a knife or something, but I don't have that. I'll use this gift card. My goodness. Gosh, this is sealed pretty good. Ooh. Okay, well, there we go. Oh, there's quite a few in here, actually. That's kind of nice. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A total of 5 in here. Ooh, I'm really excited to try this out, and I'm glad that there's more than one. So I'll be trying that out. Okay, then we got some protection here. Looks like 2 lip liners from Evio Beauty, I think that's how you say it. I don't typically wear lip liners, though I probably should. But honestly, this red kind of looks like a good match to the lip liner. I mean, the lipstick I'm wearing right now. So we can swatch these. Ooh, wow, they're really smooth. Okay, hopefully my camera does a good job. But super smooth. Wow, I'm really excited to try these. I'm gonna start using lip liner, guys, okay? Now the thing is I don't really wear makeup. I wear eye makeup, but I don't wear lips or foundation right now because we still have to wear masks at work, so yes, I don't really do that. The next product is the Stila Mascara. Oh, that's so exciting. Stila Huge Extreme Lash Mascara. Yes, and I will open it because I do need a new mascara anyway. This one looks so similar to the Better Than Sex mascara, actually, which I love the Better Than Sex mascara, so yeah. Cool. And Stila, I like their liquid lipsticks, so hopefully their mascara lives up to it. This says Flawless Serum by Epinon Beverly Hills. I probably didn't say that right, but you know, we're trying here. This bottle is so fancy. Ooh. Let's see. Come on! There we go. Ooh. Oh, it feels good. It feels like it kind of feels like a face primer, honestly. Let's see what it says on here. Apply during the evening to affected areas, directed by a physician. Okay. Avoid getting into contact with eyes. This really doesn't say much on the bottle or the box. So, let's see. Okay, this is a powerful serum that reduces the appearance of wrinkles, lines, tightness, and it tightens and firms while providing the skin surface with a protective barrier. Okay. I don't know, it feels like a very silicone based, so I'm not sure. I'll try it out though. Matcha I Do Refreshing Eye Gel by LMS. Now, this is just super cute packaging for one. Oh, I don't know if I showed you the bottle, sorry. There's the bottle for that guy. Matcha I Do Refreshing Eye Gel. So let's see how this feels. Ooh, it's green. Ooh, I'm gonna really like this. I really am. Like, it's so cool to the touch. So this just says gently pat around eye area. And don't get in contact with your eyes. So yeah, I'm excited to use that. Alright, and it looks like the last item is Kenyava Overtures Beauty Glow and Go Kit. Ooh, the packaging is really cute. Ooh, okay. So here is what this looks like. It looks like a nice palette. I don't know if these are eyeshadows or if they're like for your brows, but oh wow, whatever it is for, it is very pigmented. I'll do some quick swatching here. Did I get all of them? Oh, I didn't miss this one. Okay, maybe not. Never mind. Alright, so there's the swatches. Hopefully you can see them. I kind of put them in a really bad place on my arm. But yeah, it looks pretty good. Honestly, they feel so nice. I've never heard of this brand before. Kenya Onitrators? I apologize for totally butchering that, but super cute. The packaging is adorable, though honestly, this is probably going to go in the trash. But this says, look summertime fresh and shine all year round with Glow and Go Kit, designed in a sleek, travel-friendly palette with Kenya's favorite shades. This kit is all you need for everyday glow or touch-ups on the go. Nice. Okay, so there it has eyeshadows. Those two dark ones are brow powders, which is nice. And then there's the face powder. So basically the breakdown is these rectangle shades are all eyeshadows. These skinnier rectangle shades are brow powders, and then you have blush, highlight, and contour, if you will. So, yes, I am excited to use this. I think I will use it soon. Okay, and then that is all. So we can go over the prices here. So the Superfood Matcha Eye Gel is $39. I can't believe that this little thing is $39. What? The getting powder on me. The eyeshadow palette retails for $48. I can totally believe that. These like powders just feel so silky, so nice, and I think they're gonna be easy to blend. Then the Stila Huge Extreme Lash Mascara retails for $23. The serum, $195. What? I hope this makes my skin look really good. I mean, not that I spent $195 on it, but holy moly, that's a lot. And then the water mask, fit mask, is $20, and then the EVO Beauty Lip retails for $24. So this duo retails for $24, so each one is $12 each. So yeah, I'm like super excited. Honestly, totally worth it. I think this might be just, it's not like I don't know, I don't think it's the December box. It could be, I guess, but I feel like it would say December on it somewhere, but anyway, sorry for all the racket. So I am really excited, and I definitely, this probably is though, because I remember this, I don't know, it might be the December box, but I am super excited about it. I'm excited to try everything. I'll definitely be doing a few looks with the eyeshadow palette for those of you interested in, probably in the future, maybe even tomorrow, I don't know. I might use it tomorrow and do my eye makeup. But yeah, this was a really good box, honestly. So I'm super impressed, and I'm excited to try some of this stuff out. So I hope you enjoyed this video. It's gonna take me a while to get back into the swing of filming, of course. But I am excited to come back like full force. I know I keep saying that, but like I really do mean it this time, and I feel like I have a lot more support to do that, so I'm just overall excited. And yeah, I'll be putting an update video up probably within the next week or two, and then you'll see some more subscription box unboxings, and you'll see the ColourPop Mix mystery box, and then I have lots of new to me eyeshadow palettes to play with as well. So I hope you guys are excited. Yeah, hopefully you guys like this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.